What's up, Goody Gang? And today we have a special guest. He is the one and only, you can tell, Diabetes Kirby.
Gang. What's up, Goody Gang? We're doing the parkour.
Gang, Goody Gang. What's up, Goody Gang? I like gangs because they're gangy, and I like Goody because they're Goody, and the gangs of the Goody.
So
Goody Gang.
Goody Gang,
That's what it stands for.
Goody.
Yeah, it's Goody. That's what he said. We're going in there. Yeah. We're gonna finish it. And be prepared for some screaming.
And
this might burn your
you
eardrums,
better
by the way.
sit down, have a snack, grab a snack if you don't have one.
Put this on your
some
Bluetooth
peanut butter and
speaker, by
jelly
the way.
sandwich,
Put this on
and
your
sit down and relax and watch this very funny, very screamy, very not relaxing video.
Just get some popcorn, bro. You don't need sandwiches. You don't
Yeah.
need...
Let's go.
Just get some popcorn, some drinks, and just sit back, relax, and enjoy the screaming.
I think I missed.
Whee! Alright, stage 1.
Are we using umbrellas? Okay.
Hell yeah!
It's gonna take one.
Woo!
Okay, I'm gonna have to do some parkour here.
Yeah.
But why go over there when you can just jump to the... Yeah. Whee!
I wasn't planning.
Or we were speedrunning this.
Okay. Aiden!
Where'd you go?
Bro, I'm still down here.
Bro, don't do that. Bounce off the roof. You could have just bounced off there.
I don't really care. Boink! 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 Ding! 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 Wah! Wah! So what's this about? You want just to make it more challenging? Screw this umbrella. No!
Since you're pro at parkour, I'm gonna keep the umbrella because I'm gonna ask.
Alright, let's go! Goody Gang!
Why is it so dark? I do not remember it being this dark.
It was always like that.
Wait for me, Goody Gang!
I'm not your Goody Gang!
Okay, leave me alone!
Fine!
I'm coming for you.
Wah! Wee! Wah! Wee! Wee! Wah! 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 I'm doing karate right now. Wah! Doing karate. No! Ah!
Where'd you go?
The clouds. No! I had a little crash out, my bad.
Yeah, I kind of heard that.
Kinda?
Well, may or may not have heard it.
Bruh. I know a company, but he can't touch grass. Nah, I'm kidding. No.
Can you please?
Stop with your kinshasa! Look at us! Or else you're gay as hell. Bruh.
Watch
I'm
me
racist.
outpace you on this parkour.
Well, nah, you have an umbrella. Easy! I beat you! I like this entrance more better. This is a cheat code. It's a cheat code. Woo! We're allowed to leave each other behind, by the way.
Nah, bro, don't.
Yeah, bro. I'm past Indian level. In level Indian. Oh, Dakini! Dakini! What is that fan, bro? I don't like it. King Shada, you've been. I hate you. You know, we gotta keep it family friendly, not trying to be Nick A30.
I may or may have not died, and you didn't hear me screaming, that's why you don't leave me behind.
Well, we won't talk about that. That's what happens when you're gay. Galaxy. Sorry. Trying to keep it family friendly. Ba-da-da-da.
That's why.
That's why what, bucko?
You're such a big.
Yo, keep it family!
I don't think that's very family friendly, Squeak.
Yes, it is, bro. Yes, it is, bro. This kid be tweaking. This kid be tweaking his little bum cheeks, and they go flap, flap. You go flap, flap, because he's making a back. Oh! And I'm just making a rap. Oh!
What's that?
I didn't count, but I'm on the Dakini level.
Dang, already?
I'm not even finished yet, and I've been on here for like 15 minutes. 15 minutes is crazy. Not good. Oh, jeez. This takes some effort, man. If you play Animal Company, you know. But if you don't, screw you! If you don't like Animal Company, I will go to your house in the middle of the night and grab my little shank and go ching ching ching. Level stars. Bruh. Bruh. 1, 2, 1, 2. No. Bruh. Boink. No, you far where you're forking, you fork. Kaseku, oleo wa star, Kaseku, oleo wa star. Sorry about that. I'm a little special. Ah, did you know Albert Einstein was special? Level, I don't know until I see it level. I think it's the saw blades though. Yeah, it's the saw blades level. Great. Boink, boink. Oh, I can just dodge these so easily. I'm not autistic. I wish I wasn't. Yeah. No, I'm just gonna do it the normal way. Almost. Woo! What's after the saw blades again? Oh, the lasers! Ow.
Right now I'm on the 10.
Nice. Ow.
Now I'm finished and on the stupid Greek statue.
You're where?
The duck level with the duck floating down the side.
Duckini! Don't say anything bad to Duckini or else you'll suffer out the consequences. Yeah! Back up! Woo, just barely. And I think I'm at the end. Yeah, the end. Yeah, the end of Animal Company. Nah, I can't wait for them to, like, redo the spawn, bro. I'm at the end. 3. Thank you. Crap. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That really means a lot to me. Now shut up! Click that button. Wow. Ooh.
Bro, I'm kind of pissed at you because you didn't see, bro.
Wee.
And you didn't revive me.
Wait, I'm going to do my outro now, so yeah. If you guys enjoyed, I switched to channel 1. If you guys enjoyed, smash that like and sub button. If you didn't enjoy, I will reload these. Come to your house and make you go swish swish woo. All right, your little bitty bits will go swish swish woo all around the room. All right, bye. Oh yeah, give me a bunch of views. I'm trying to be Scottino. Yeah.